Hello everyone and welcome to another video. After posting those art tutorials, I felt like a clueless, cringy art teacher, but the truth is most of the time I don't even know what on earth I'm doing. So, I decided to do something fun. I'll tell you more about it throughout the video. Till then, you can just pretend that you haven't heard or found out already from the title and the thumbnail. Okay? Now, let's get started. Today, I'll be drawing one of my friend's OC in my own style. I've seen a lot of artists doing that, and why not give it a try? I don't like the word of my fans OC or redrawing my followers OC because it's kinda make me sound like I'm a superior celebrity, which I'm definitely not, at least not yet. That's why I'll call it my friend's OC. She sent me her OC through my DMs on Instagram, and I'm leaving the original art on the side so you guys know what to expect. On the other side, honestly, she gave me the work long ago when I was still accepting my request works in Instagram, but I'm doing it now. Kinda guilty for that. Please don't cancel me. It's her comfort OC, as she said, and she's adorable in my opinion with that peach palette and blue eyes with her jumper kind of outfit. Oh, I just realized that she told me it's a raincoat, not a jumper. So please keep that in mind. Since I don't know much about the characteristics of this character, so I am assuming from her looks. I think she's very shy, light-hearted, and a very bubbly personality character. I tried my best to portray her with my style, and I'm literally praying right now that she likes it. I hope she does. It was certainly challenging to make this, but I enjoyed the whole process. Usually, drawing chibis takes me around 40 minutes to 1 hour at the max, but surprisingly, this took me over 2.5 hours. Also, I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I did making them. So let me know your opinion in the comment box below. And if you want me to draw your OCs like in this video, you can submit me in my Instagram DMs like she did, and I will pick maybe 1 or 2 OCs or maybe even more, you never know. So do that if you want me to do another video like that. I'm skipping the line art part because there is a video coming up, probably the next one from this, that I will explain everything that I've learned about line art so far. So stay tuned for that. Now the painting process has already started, as you can tell. I'm keeping her skin more of a warmth tone to match with her overall peach color palette with her hair and outfit. You'll see in a bit. So adding the blush and doing the insides of her mouth. Sorry if the footage is extremely too much sped up for you all, or it could have been way longer. I don't want you guys to see a 40 minutes long video just me drawing and rambling about random stuffs. It can be extremely boring, so I had to speed it up a 2.5 hours of footage and fit it into a 7 to 8 minutes. I hope you understand. The struggle was real. In the previous video, I already shown you guys how I draw girl chibis, or how I taught you how to do a girl chibi if that's what you prefer, and I applied all of the things that I mentioned on that video in this one, so you can just call it a sequel also if you want. If you have heard that video correctly and followed along, you can tell the steps are exactly what I said you, and this is how you can apply it in different postures or different characters or different signs and everywhere. I post all of my works in my Instagram, so if you are not following me yet, make sure to do that. The links are in the description box below, and you want to see the chibi tutorial, I will also link that in the description box down below for you, in case you're new and haven't seen that yet. After doing the detailed skin and eyes, I'm moving on to the rest of her body parts, which is hair and outfit. I decided to color block all of her rest of the things together and then start with the shaving. And now I am finished with her hair base color and skin color also. Wait, did I just say skin color? I'm sorry, I mean the outfit color, outfit base colors. Okay, so here I just colored the line art. I will tell you guys about it in the coming videos, so don't stress about it. And let's start off with the coloring, shading the hair. One thing I would say, to make your hair or any part of the art more lively, you must take the risk and play with colors, different hues, different saturations. Even sometimes a totally different shade can make it look a whole lot of better. You never know, so never stop trying. Any friendly criticism, feedbacks, or any video ideas or requests are totally acceptable for me. If you want to let me know, you can always write in the comments, or you can message me in the Instagram as well. I am open for DMs, as I told you many times before. Just be kind with it. Now I am shading her raincoat. This is a beautiful shade of raincoat. I couldn't find it anywhere in market nearby. I hate wearing raincoats. I am always like an umbrella person rather than raincoat. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys go for umbrellas or raincoats? Let me know in the comment below. Coloring and shading her outfit was a hell a lot of fun than her hair, because hair took me a lot of work and I'm lazy. So yeah, now I'm just adding some interesting stuffs on her background, some really tiny details that was left on the photo. I later on realized that she had a brown colored purse in one of her references, and I had to definitely add that because it's cute, and I added that later on after finishing the whole thing. Okay, looks like we're almost at the end of the video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know your opinions in the comment box below, and subscribe guys if you haven't already. What are you doing with your life? Come on, subscribe. It's free, you know it. Bye bye.